acceptance, genuineness and empathy. Warmth means with the warm welcome, a counselor should give proper hospitality, and it would be preferable to start with a brief greeting such as hello, how are you, please take your seat, and etc. Acceptance is relationship between academic counselor and the person who seeks counseling is based on sincere interest and acceptance of what the person is, or he or she proceeds through it. This acceptance by the academic counselor should be, as far as possible, unconditional. In fact, to resort to criticism is not expected, and genuineness is very genuine response, like does not need to be defensive or offensive, but rather should genuinely accept what the learner is saying. Like if he or she says that you seem to be bored, if you are bored, just accept it. Empathy is not sympathy. It is like giving something which the person appreciates, and think as if you are in the condition of the learner. The learner comes to you in a distressed state, and think how you can help the learner. That is empathy. Now, important skills of an academic counselor is to select the response very carefully from the information, advice and counseling continuum. Listen to the query very patiently. It should be active listening, and then structure the response. The techniques of listening are open-ended questions. One should give some time to the learner to think and frame the question, acknowledge the condition of the learner, and reflect on the question by maintaining silence, and that should also be intelligent silence. That is why I said that it is an important skill of an academic counselor to structure the response. Now, how to structure the response is also very important. When a counselor clarifies by understanding what the learner means to say, that is called clarification, and checking and double checking with what the learner has just said, and reassuring that the counselor has understood it correctly, and then provide the response, thinking of the consequences, is structuring the response. Now, you must have seen that assumption of counseling has three main assumptions, like counseling is two-way process, it is learner-centered, and it can be initiated from any end. It can be from the learner or from the counselor. And the possible technologies and communication could be audio, through telephone, through mobile, through video, through one-way interaction or two-way interaction or communication. It can be synchronous or in asynchronous, it can be teleconferencing, video conferencing, email, or that is asynchronous communication, or any other type of communication technology can be used for counseling. This is all I have to say. Thank you.